I'm excited to show you how easy it is to connect MeisterTask to Paperform. MeisterTask is a task management and collaboration tool. It aims to let users manage tasks in a beautifully designed and customizable environment. By automatically creating tasks in MeisterTask from your online form submissions, it allows users to organize and keep all of their work in one place. So let's see how integrating MeisterTask with Paperform can streamline workflows and enhance collaboration. Here I've created an online form, more specifically a project request form. A submitter will complete the form and I want a new task to be created within MeisterTask automatically. To do this, from the form editor, navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. Then select MeisterTask under the Direct Integrations and select Create a Task. Time to connect to your MeisterTask account. Select the Add Account button there and then just authorize the connection. Once your account has successfully been connected, it's time to set up the integration. Firstly, select the project you want your new task to be created in. And there we go, select mine. Then you'll need to select the section you want the task to be assigned. There we go. Now we can configure what information and details we share from our form submissions with the newly created tasks. All right. Firstly, we need to name this task. Now we can manually enter a title or we can use the process of answer piping to dynamically display a response from our submitter to a particular question. So we'll select the icon here to the right of that field, and this will give us the questions within our form and other necessary information. So I'll select the project title question, and then we'll have to set the assignee and just go through and complete the rest of those fields. Also, notice that we can create conditional logic rules for when this particular integration is actioned. Now, once happy with the setup, it's time to run a test. However, please ensure that you have completed a test submission of your form first so the Paperform can test the connection with MeisterTask using real data. And boom, it's a success. If we navigate to our MeisterTask project, there we can see the newly created task. It's that simple. All that's left to do is to select Finish Setup. And then from the Integrations and Webhooks tab, you can turn off your integration, edit, duplicate, delete it, and even look at the history. Overall, integrating Paperform with MeisterTask will lead to automated workflows and enhanced collaboration, ultimately leading to improved productivity and better outcomes for your project. Well, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for other exciting connections. And leave in the comments below, what apps would you like to connect with your Paperform? I hope it's been a helpful video. Good luck and have fun connecting.